today we're going to tear this thing apart. I got this as a vehicle here this winter. Steven kind of covered it in mud yesterday, but other than that, it's pretty good. Power steering seems to be a little funky. I've never built a van before. Yeah, power steering's still a little funky. I imagine it's leaking out. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be stripping this thing. We're going to be pulling everything off of it, and we're going to be putting it inside the cobalt so it goes to scrap and it's full. And then we also have the Camry back there that we're scrapping because of how rotted it is. So we're going to be putting everything in there. So there's lots of stuff I want to take off this. I want to get rid of this. I want to take out all this. Basically the seat. Get it all stripped down and see how far we can actually get this thing to being 100% gone. I want to even see how far the dash I can take out. So yeah, let's start tearing this thing apart and see how far we get with it. I'd like to get it pretty much ready to be built. I don't know where it's going to be sent to, but I'd rather get it built and have it ready. Plus then it gives me some content for you guys. So yeah, we're going to be tearing this thing apart. So stay tuned. Does the back hatch open? Now, usually, no, the back hatch is not opening. Usually I don't really keep vans, but this one here is super undercoated, and it looks very, very clean. So, that's the reason why I'm keeping this one. I usually just use vans as dumpsters, because everything around here is super rotted. But this one being a Chrysler and how old it is, it looks pretty clean for how old it is, and I'm pretty excited. How many doors actually open on this thing? Nope, I don't think this one opens. But we'll start tearing this thing apart and do a little bit of updates here. So it took us about an hour and 40 minutes to do this, but unfortunately I spent about an hour on the phone with Rogers because they're being stupid. So Corey did most of the work. So we got quite a bit of this interior out, thanks to Corey, because, you know, he's such an awesome guy. But we got pretty much everything to here. What I find funny, this vehicle is full of these little maggot larvae everywhere. Do you see them? But not only is it full of roaches, it is full of roaches. That's right. This guy here was smoking the Mary Jane. So, a good old contractor smoking on his lunch breaks, I guess. I have no idea. So, the only bad thing so far is vans have so much interior that we filled this cobalt right up. There's no space left in it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start this van up. I'm probably going to give Corey the honors because Corey likes driving. And then we're going to take this Camry and we're going to push it to right about where this van's sitting. And then we're going to fill up this Camry with stuff out of this van. I'd like to put the front bumper in it. Some of the dash, the passenger seat. We're just going to fill this piece of junk Camry right up to the teats. Right up to the teats. So, Corey, you want to start that van and give us a good old-fashioned shove? I keep forgetting that this thing's got no steering, so this might be interesting. We're gonna, you know, there's been no demolition derbies for a while, so I'm just gonna let Corey get a little bit of this out of him here. So we just gotta push this car a little bit that way. Let's see how well Corey does this here. You're doing good, keep coming, you're doing great, keep coming. You're doing good, keep coming. Lots of space, lots of space. Oh! Oh. Give her the old fucking razzle dazzle, bud! Razzle dazzle! Razzle dee dazzle, bud! Give her the ketchup! Oh my goodness, what have you done to my beloved Camry? Do it again! Do it again! The old razzle-de-dazzle there. Here we go! Well, we got the Camry where we want it now. So let's finish stripping this van. Turn it around, Corey, so we can get to the front of her. What a champ. Corey's been looking to smash something all year. Van is fine. Camry is cooked. He gave her the razzle-de-dazzle there, bud. Look at that. Corey, I think I need some insurance information. Can you cover this cost to my car? Looks like she's got some overbite there, bud. Just a wee bit of overbite. This is why I didn't want to run this car in a demolition derby.
Just folded that back.
Look how rusty. The frame is gone. The floor's ripped out. Now you guys see why I'm scrapping this car. Everything is garbage in the back of it. Oh, a Keen optical. No glasses. Careful, there might be mouses back here.
Well, that just buckled the frame.
That's the jack.
No, right there.
Oh, I was going to say that's the jack right there. Yeah, this car here was too rotted to run, for sure. For sure. But let's keep stripping that thing. Well, this thing's starting to look like a derby van. We got donuts on the back, both sides. I started ripping off some of the exterior trim, but I definitely lost focus about 10 minutes in. We got the interior almost completely stripped. Most of the dash out. I'm going to tell you right now, these Chrysler guys, they must have invested in stocks on these stupid little star screws. There's 1,000 of them inside this van. It is ridiculous on how many little star screws there is holding this dash in. But this is how far we got with the dash. We're probably going to take a little bit more of the dash out. We're going to leave this here because I think that's what we're going to tie our battery to. It looks fairly secure. I'm going to have to take a look at some of the rules that are around for 2021. See what I can do for cage and stuff like that. But I'm not sure if what actually I'm allowed to do at all. Coming to the front, We got the hubcaps off. That was a big ordeal, you know. The hubcaps took more than stripping the whole damn van. Yes. We got the catalytic converter off, so now it's starting to sound pretty loud. We're going to come up with a way to clamp it, and I'm going to try to build my own headers for this, I think. I don't know. I want headers. I want to be one of the only vans with headers. We got the AC out. We got the AC lines out. A lot of stuff like that. I'm going to put a smaller radiator into this, but this one's okay for right now. We got all the seat belts out that we don't need. We got the windshield wipers, all that fun stuff out. But it's actually starting to sound like a derby van now. And we're pretty much done for the day. It's Easter weekend, so that's why I have today off work. And even with all the Ontario lockdowns, I'm going to go have a dinner with my family. So, screw you, Ontario. All right, let's start her up so they can hear what she sounds like and then put her home. Corey has a little problems with the key. He has a little problem getting it in there. There we go. Sounds pretty good. Okay, Corey, go for it. Put her back. Get off your phone. Don't be texting and driving, Corey. Yeah, Corey, don't be texting and driving. Oh, he's almost smoked the PT Cruiser. God damn it, Corey. You're messing everything up. Sounds kind of nasty for a V6. And before any of you guys wonder about this massive ATF leak on the ground, don't worry. It's only power steering fluid. So, I found the knife, Corey! We lost that knife 20 minutes ago. It turns out we just put the car on top of it. Yay! So it wasn't actually lost. But yeah, out here trying to build more derby stuff for you guys. I know you guys love watching derby things. So, Camry's off to scrap. Cobalt's off to scrap. I don't know what he's doing now, but thanks everybody for watching. Say a big hi to Corey. He came over and helped us today. So, thanks for watching everybody. We'll see you back later on Zach's Workshop. What a rusty Camry.